In this video, we're going to take a look at how to count cells with text in Google Sheets. So we have column A that has a mixture of text and a mixture of numbers, and we want to find out how many cells contain text. So what we're going to do, we're going to type equals count A, open brackets, and then we're going to select everything inside, and then we're going to click close brackets, and then minus, and then we're going to type count, and then open brackets again, and then we're going to select the same selection, and then we're going to click enter. So now it's given us a figure which is 4. So 4 of these rows have text in, and if we change one to a number, it should be reflected. So there's only currently 2 rows that have text in, and that's how you use how to count cells with text in Google Sheets.